The Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, is one of the world's leading institutes in chemical sciences and technologies. With over 90 years of excellence since its establishment, ICT has a rich history of nurturing capable, competent, and socially responsible engineers, academicians, and entrepreneurs. Remarkably, more than 500 first-generation entrepreneurs from ICT Mumbai contribute billions of rupees annually to the national economy. The institute has produced 3 Padma Vibhushans, 8 Padma Bhushans, and 10 Padma Shri awardees, as well as 2 Fellows of the Royal Society, FRS. Since 2023, the Biologics Workshop has honored pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical leaders through the Dr. K. Anji Reddy Fellowship for Affordable Biopharmaceuticals. This fellowship commemorates the life and contributions of Dr. K. Anji Reddy, founder of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. A visionary scientist and entrepreneur, Dr. Reddy was dedicated to providing affordable medicines and advancing research and innovation in the pharmaceutical industry. He founded the Dr. Reddy's Foundation in 1996 to support quality education and skill development for underprivileged groups. His outstanding contributions earned him the Padma Shri 2001 and Padma Bhushan, cementing his legacy as a transformative figure in Indian healthcare. His autobiography, An Unfinished Agenda, reflects his passion for science and his unwavering commitment to societal progress. The 2025 Dr. K. Anji Reddy Memorial Fellowship for Affordable Biopharmaceuticals is awarded to Dr. Cyrus S. Poonawalla, Chairman, the Serum Institute of India, SII. Since its inception in 1966, SII has grown to become the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by volume. Dr. Poonawalla's visionary leadership has made India self-sufficient in immunization and revolutionized global vaccine production through innovation, efficiency, and affordability. His strategic focus on optimizing production processes has significantly reduced costs, making life-saving vaccines accessible to underserved populations worldwide. Under his guidance, SII has received global recognition for its high-quality, cost-effective vaccines, establishing India as a leader in global health. Beyond his professional achievements, Dr. Poonawalla is a philanthropist, contributing to public welfare through charitable schools, hospitals, sanitation initiatives, and public parks. His legacy exemplifies the balance of business success with a commitment to societal well-being. In recognition of his exceptional contributions to the Indian pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical sectors, the Mumbai Biocluster and Institute of Chemical Technology Mumbai are proud to present Dr. Cyrus S. Poonawalla with the Dr. K. Anji Reddy Memorial Fellowship for Affordable Biopharmaceuticals Award 2025.